Hello, my name's Linda and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and welcome to Whiz Bang Wednesday, where we're going to be making a speedy card that doesn't compromise on style. So today I'm going to be using the Stitched All Around bundle and the Tropical Thinlits bundle as well. So, and where is my Tropical Thinlet? There we go. So this is what we're going to be using today, these two stamp sets and the framelits that go with them. And I'm going to be starting with just a piece of Whisper White. This is the thick cardstock, and I've just cut a piece of A4 in half and scored it at 10.5 centimetres. And then I have another piece of Whisper White cardstock, and this is about 14 by 9.5 centimetres, and it's going to go just on the front of our card here. And we're going to do a little bit of stamping. So I've brought in this leaf, and I'm going to be using the Stampin' Pad Soft Sea Foam. I'm just going to be stamping a couple of leaves here, and another couple coming on the other side. Okay. And we're going to be putting something over the top of that. And then we're going to do a little bit more stamping. So I've just got a piece of Whisper White here. It's just this normal Whisper White. And I'm going to be using Balmy Blue. And I'm going to be using the small flower off of the Tropical Chic. And I'm going to be using the Night of Navy as well. And I have one of the little ink dabbers. So I'm going to start by using the Balmy Blue, ink it up, and then a little bit of the Night of Navy just to go just around the edge. Bit of a huff, and there we go. I'm just going to clean that off. Just get my chamois. I forgot my chamois. So I'm going to stamp this 3 times. If you was really in a hurry, don't do the dabbing around the outside, just go straight for one colour, and that will definitely save a little bit more time. And now, using the little flower die, I'm just going to shoot over and cut that out. Okay, so I've cut 3 of these little flowers out now, and I'm going to just stick a dimension on the back of all of them. This actually saves time as well. Rather than gluing, just a quick dimensional. And then we're going to put those to one side. And I've cut one of these out of the, can't remember what it's called, stitch label framelits. And actually, I've not shown you the card we're making. Here's the card we're making. Should have shown you that first. Quite simple. And this is going to go on here. So we've just got some of the leaves peeking out. And I'm going to be stamping with Night of Navy, the sentiment, which is Enjoy Your Special Day. And this is coming from the Stitched All Around. Hoping you can hear me okay, because I've had a change round in my room and my microphone is just a little bit further away. So we're just going to pop that on there, just with some glue. And then we're going to bring our little popped up flowers in and pop these on. You can use whatever colour you want, you don't have to use blue, just so happens that blue is my favourite colour, blue and green, my favourite colours. There we go. And if you have got time, you can always stick a few sequins on as well. There's the, what are these called, the basic adhesive back sequins. I think I've got a little green one as well. Just stick a few of those on. if you haven't got time, it doesn't actually matter. On the back of this I'd already put my tear and tape. But if you've seen any of my videos before, you know that I like to use tear and tape on the back of Whisper white cardstock, because sometimes you can see the glue behind the Whisper white, and I don't like that, too fussy. But if you're using a coloured cardstock, it doesn't show so much. Okay, so I'm using this technique so I can hover it over my card base. So these two ends do not have the tape off of them. There we go. Oh, pointing the wrong way. There we go, we've finished. How quick and speedy was that? Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.